How to unpin someone on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. Here, you can view your chat list with your friends on Snapchat. Then, press and hold the friends chat that you want to unpin. Now, go to the chat and notification settings. Then tap on Unpin Conversation. You have now successfully unpinned this conversation. If you want to pin the conversation back or pin any other conversation on Snapchat, then go back to the chat and notification settings and tap on Pin the Conversation. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and unpin a friend or contact on Snapchat.